Remember to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the weekly updates on our channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ctosstubes. I'm your host Paras, and in my today's video I'm going to tell you how to install WordPress on your website. In case you haven't watched my earlier videos, you can always check out the link above to watch the complete playlist of how to create your own website. So now let me get started with today's video. So before installing WordPress, let me take you my site, which is Ctosstubes.com. As you can see, currently there is no WordPress installed in my website. I have purchased the hosting by StableHost, so it will just display me this page. So I've connected my domain with the StableHost web server. In case you want to know how to connect your domain with your website server hosting, you can always click on the link above and watch that video. So you need to go to your web server's control panel, like the one I have here. It will be written as Cpanel. Just click on it, and once you reach to the control panel, you need to go down and search for a script by the names Softaculous App installer. So you see a lot of scripts here: WordPress, Joomla, etc. So you need to click on the WordPress. So once you click on the WordPress, you have the install now option. Just click on it and fill in the details here, the version that you want to install, your website, site name and description, your username and password, and make sure to make it very strong, because WordPress is very much susceptible to hack. So make this password strong as much as you can. And this is the email address. You can always change it. You can write contact or admin or whatever. So once you do this, select the language and limit the login either attempts and click on install. So as you can see, now the WordPress is being installed on my website. So now if I go and click on my website, let me see. Yes, so my website is very much active now. The WordPress is installed. So that's how you install the WordPress on the website. And to know how to install the themes and other WordPress related features, you can check out my next video, which is releasing next week, and I will take you through the details of the same. So now let me turn to the main camera and give my final wordings. So that's all about the video. I hope you guys like the content and hope you guys get the right information out of it. Do comment your questions and suggestions below in the comment section. Also, please do remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos on the informative stuff. So I see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.